everybody, I hope everyone's well. Today is November 29th, 2018, and it is 3 o'clock, and I am prepping dinner. I just did a grocery haul for you guys, and I discussed this thing right here. This is the Too Faced melted matte liquid lipsticks, and it's in Miss Roper. Is that what it was? Yeah, I think that's what it was. It's orange. I know, people. I know. And I am sorry about the lighting. I'm in my kitchen because we're going to cook. I did bring a light from my room, an extra light, and I'm thinking maybe I should move it. Let me try that and see if that works. My family just got home, so please, there's going to be talking in the background. Let's see, move you a little bit. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, we're just going to roll with this. Alright, so what I'm making is actually keto, quick keto chili recipe made in the pressure cooker. I have my Instapot here. Is it called? No, this is not the Instapot. This is the Power Pressure Cooker XL. I've never used it. My husband does. I don't. So I'm going to need his assistance today. The recipe that I am making is called a quick keto chili recipe made in the pressure cooker. And keto, for those of you who may not know, is a very, very, very low carb diet. People do keto a little bit differently. Some people do eat grains on keto as long as they count out how many carbs they are intaking. Then, you know, that's one way of doing it. I particularly do not eat grains on account of that I'm trying to really get healthy from the inside out. And it's just best for me right now not to have grains. But people, you know, people stay within 20 grams of carbs or less, okay? And I think some people even have like candy as long as they stay within 20 grams or less. I don't, okay? I don't even have candy. No. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. So I just wanted to kind of explain keto a little bit. Just it's a very, very, very low carb diet, and people do it differently. Okay, now what the recipe calls for is 8 servings. So the ingredients are based off an 8 serving. I, on the other hand, double all of my recipes. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients. I can't really put the camera down here because, like I said, I don't have a lot of room. And right now my counter is pretty full. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick things up and show you. Let me try and do it. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Go. Got it. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the ingredients. Mine are doubled, but I'm going to tell you exactly how much the recipe calls for, okay? This is ground beef. It's a pound of ground beef, a pound of sausage. Again, remember, mine is always doubled. Then you're going to have some diced onion. It calls for half a cup of diced onions. And then we have some chili powder here. It calls for 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Then we have some unsweetened cacao powder, and I'm going to show you which one I use. So this is 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder. Then we have a tablespoon of smoked paprika. We have 2 tablespoons of cumin. We have half a teaspoon of dried oregano here. And then and then you have salt and pepper to taste. You also have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And then you're going to have 2 cups of beef bone broth. I don't have bone broth. This is just regular broth. And then 15-ounce can of diced tomato, roasted diced tomato right here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to read and hold the camera at the same time. Have 2 cans of these. 1 can of Rotel. I only have the 1 can, so I'm going to have to make it work. This is fire roasted tomatoes. Then I have over here 1 can of chili, and I have 2 here. Okay, and this one is the hot diced jalapenos here, and then this one is just green chilies here. And then over here I have some xanthan gum, and I'll explain that one here in a minute. So that is all of the recipe, that is all the ingredients rather that I will be using. So everything that I said was the exact amount for the recipe, okay, but what I showed is obviously more. Let me talk about the cacao powder I have. This one is from Superfood. It's organic, it's plant-based superfood, and it is non-GMO and organic. That's very important. I'm trying to eat and use ingredients that are non-GMO as much as possible. But I'm also going to start looking on Amazon for less expensive prices, just because my health food store up here is very expensive. It really, really is. The xanthan gum here, this is a little bit of a, I don't know, some of you may not agree of using xanthan gum. I read so many blogs and recipes and people have different opinions about this, but basically it's a thickener, and it's great for baking and just thickening sauces and things like that. I used to use, and still do actually use, arrowroot. That's also good thickening, but I don't use like cornstarch and things like that anymore. As far as, let's see, what else was I going to talk about? Oh, let's talk about this little thing here. Cumin. Oh, I could smell it from here. I don't particularly like cumin, and the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of cumin, which would be for me about 4 tablespoons of cumin. This is 3. I'm not crazy about cumin. I can tolerate it if it's not, if when I eat, I could not really taste it. But a lot of times, you know right away you're having something with cumin in it, and I'm just not crazy about it. All right, I'm gonna go get my hubby. Hubby. Oh, he's sitting down. Hubby.
Break time.
Break time.
Yes.
Come on, hubby. Let's put this together, sweetie. If you got to just set this thing up for me, and then I'll get it going. I just need it in sauteed mode.
Just press saute.
That's it?
Yep.
Really? It's not going to explode on me? All right, guys, I'm going to wait for this thing to get hot enough, so I just have it on sauteed. I also wanted to mention that the ground beef I'm using, I've already seasoned with salt and pepper and garlic, because I can never have too much garlic. This right here, this is not enough. No. You know me and my garlic. All right, guys, I'll be back when this is hot. All right, guys, here we go. So it is nice and hot. That, guys. Oh, it smells so good, huh?
It looks like soup. Where's the rest of it?
I don't know where's the rest of it.
Oh, there it is.
We're gonna make the bread now. So, and then, yeah, we'll come back to this. So let's make the bread now. Guys, we are going to do the bread. It's called Keto Bread, gluten-free, low carb. It's going to give me about 20 slices. I'm not going to double it, so everything is going to be as it is in the ingredients, the serving size rather. I have the oven preheated right now to 375 degrees, and I'm going to show you the ingredients right now, okay? This is the first time making this. So what I have is 1.5 cups of almond flour. Now I bought the one from Kirkland. This is the one I've been using. I bought quite a bit of them. Hopefully they still have some more and I'll pick up another 2. I don't know about your Kirkland's or Costco. This is where I got it at Costco. This is their brand. But they only carry this time of year, and after that, once they run out, they run out. So I think I'm going to try and go back and pick up another 2, and this is gluten-free. And I don't know if it does not say it's non-GMO, but yeah. So I use that, and I have melted mine already. 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and I get the aluminum-free baking powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This I do by non-GMO as well. I'm going to have 6 large eggs, and they are going to be separated. A pinch of salt, and again I use the Himalayan salt. On for the first time, huh? Not only for the first time this season, the first time in this house. Look, guys. I don't know. I get excited about things like that. I think people in the back east already. Yeah, they're already done put on their fireplace. Okay, I'm gonna show you our dinner, but I want to show you the state of my house. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Trees up, but all these boxes and packages and decorations that are going to be happening between. We're going to get up 2 boxes tonight, which I think we pretty much did. You guys they're eating without me, people. They're eating without me. But anyway, the color is still on. Did you notice, Savannah? The color? So we're gonna get just 2 boxes, and then we're gonna kind of straighten up a little bit, and then finish up. And what I'll do is, as far as a video for you guys, I'm gonna do I wanted to do one for fall, but I wasn't recording. But I want to do a show you around how the house looks. But let me show you. Okay, they're already eating, people. Let me show. Look at this. We got one over there, one over there, and one over there. So now that you guys are eating, can we please tell my friends what you guys think of it? Be honest. You don't have to,
Good.
You like it, huh?
I want some onions.
Onions? Okay.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Need more cheese.
Need more cheese. We did put cheese on top. What do you think, Savannah?
I like it.
You like it. Now, what about the bread? Let's talk about the bread. You haven't seen the bread.
Bread's like cornbread. Just throw it in there. Tastes good.
And what about touching up with the jalapenos?
They kind of fell off when I cut them. So.
Yeah. But is it good?
Yeah, it tastes like cornbread, kind of.
Cool, cool. But no corn, right? I know the camera setting is off, guys. I'm so sorry. Hi, little guy.
Tastes good, huh?
It's hot. Holy smokes. Delicious. Piece of bread. I'm going to dip it in the sauce, guys. So this is the little piece of bread here. Dip it in the sauce. Like that. Really good.
I have cornbread.
Really good. Really good. Alright guys, that's it. That's my video for today. So I will definitely do a video showing the house and the decorations and things like that. I think hubby's taking me out tomorrow to go look at some decor and see what I can you know, what acquisition I can get for my Christmas decor. As he gets very silent. You know how my husband gets. You guys know him by now. He gets quiet. All right, guys. I will see you guys in my next cooking video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This lipstick certainly has a staying power, huh?
Yeah, I'm calling in sick tomorrow.
He's on vacation. You can't call in sick.
Yeah.
You're on vacation.
I'm calling in sick.
You're calling in sick from shopping.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, I'm feeling sick.
You're feeling sick? No. No. All right, guys. I will see you guys in my next cooking video. Okay. Bye.
Anybody else still hurt?
Oh, look at my hand. Ooh. Look at this. Ready? Look. I have it on the wrong setting for sure.
Probably in slow motion.
Oh,
I'll be like,
do you hear your dad? All right, guys. See you in my next video. All right. Bye. Anybody gonna say goodnight?
Adios.
Good night. Bye.
Savannah, she's too busy eating. All right, guys. Bye. I think I got it. Anyways, I wanted to come back. We just finished eating. And my little guy, he didn't like the bread. So I just wanted to let you guys know that the bread was good. It was good, but I think that it might have had a little bit too much baking powder. I'm not sure. My husband says he didn't taste it, but it did need something else. Like either I put too much baking powder or it needed a little more salt or something like that. I'm not sure. But my little guy didn't like it. I liked it. It was fine. Like I said, I did taste a little bit of the baking powder, but I actually just crumbled the bread into my chili and it was fine. But it was good. The chili was absolutely amazing. I have so much left, which is great. We're going to wait till it cools down and then we're going to throw it into the freezer for a day that we're just so busy we can't, you know, cook. So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know. But my daughter loved the bread. She was fine with it. My husband loved it. I did feel it was had a little too much baking powder, and my little guy didn't like it. So we're gonna perfect that one. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to come and give you guys an update, and I will see you guys in my next cooking video. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.